Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off the auto lock feature on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, just go to your search. From here, search for Edit Power Plan. From the best matches, just open up Edit Power Plan and just expand this. Make sure everything is set to never from here. Then just click on Change Advanced Power Settings. From here, just go to Hard Disk and make sure to set the time to never. And then just scroll a bit, go to PCI Express and expand this and make sure all the settings are set to off in here. Then just go to display, go to turn off display after and make sure this is set to never. Then just click on apply, click on OK. And from here, make sure turn off display and put the computer to sleep is set to never. Then just click on save changes. Then just go to the power options, one step back from here. Then just go to the choose what the power button does. And from here, you need to disable the lock and sleep. But these are grayed out. How to enable them? Just go here on change settings that are currently unavailable. Then you can change them. Just uncheck sleep and lock and click on save changes. Then close all this and restart your PC. And basically that is how to turn off auto lock feature on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.